This is how to find the center of a circle using another circular object. You can also use a compass for a very similar technique, and I've showed you that in another video. You need to find an object that's slightly bigger than the circle that you're drawing with. So in this case, I'm going to use a CD. This will also work with three-dimensional objects. So here I've used a similar technique to find the center of a tuna fish can. All right, here's my CD and it's slightly bigger. I need to guesstimate where the center point is, and I need to line up the CD so that it has the middle bulge past the center point and the edges before the center point. And then draw. Then I need to mark the intersection points. So, and I've done that here. Again, this could be any object that's bigger than the circle I'm drawing. So I did this when I was taking photos for my Instructable. So you see I've put tape on the CD just to make the marking a little easier so I don't ruin the CD. Although if I ruined Hooked on Classics, I wouldn't be that upset. Anyway, I'm being very careful to line up my marks with the edge. This is the place where inaccuracies usually creep in. So I'm just drawing a line, and then I'm going to move the CD to another location. It doesn't matter exactly where I do it. Here would be fine. Here would be fine, just so long as my arcs overlap in the middle and go past the central point. And now I'm going to make a second pair of arcs. If I moved these tape pieces now and realigned, that would be fine. Each pair of arcs needs to be the same, but there's also no reason for them to be different. So I'm just going to use the same marks on my CD. Again, it doesn't matter how these line up. It can be off. So I'm going to make this deliberately a little off that way. You'll see that when I finish, the center point will still be just as clear. There we go. And now I need some sort of a straight edge. Doesn't need to be a ruler. I'm just going to use the CD case itself. Line it up there. And draw my line. And line it up here. The leg of the tripod's in the way. And there's my central spot. And since I drew this circle with a compass, there's actually a hole where the central point is. So if I put the compass back in it, you can see it's almost exactly perfect. And that's how to draw on a circle with another circle.